Everyone, yes, today I will be showing you Qbasic. Yes, in my desktop you can see various icons are there. Over here Qbasic I am having, so I open Qbasic. Now what actually is Qbasic? This particular Qbasic is quick beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. This quick basic, you can see the version of it is 4.50. Now looking at Qbasic, you will be finding out that press enter to see the quick basic. This is guide is there, and if you don't want the guide, you can press escape key to come out. Now see, there's a file menu. You can create a file from here. By the new program, you can give the new program from here. You can save a program as save as, and you can also open a program from here. So options are just given like a notepad. So like a notepad window, you can act on it. So there is an exit to come out of it, and there is an edit option also. Okay, where you can cut and copy and paste and do all the things. Then there is a view option also. So this is all about you having the particular GW Basic, advanced version of GW Basic, that is a Qbasic. So this is Qbasic in fact. Okay, so quick beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. You find the view option is there, and from the view you can see the view the output screen also. Yeah, and the included lines and all. Search is there, so you're going to find out the particular search. You can use the search as you do in the notepad. You have the run, so you can run from here. You can restart, you can continue, you can make the end of the file, or you make the exe file. Okay, exe means exe file, executable file. You can debug from here, and you can go to the options where you can set and display the settings. So now let us come for the particular Qbasic 1 program. Then you will be knowing I have already done with my flowcharts and all. So suppose you are told to assign two numbers and just make the sum of two numbers. So what do you do? So you come over here and just assign two numbers, means the let is a word, so use capital letters. Let you give, and let, after let you give let, suppose a, yes, a is equal to, you can make it 5, you can make it 10, you can make it 12. Yes, I made it 12, and you can make let, let. Now b is equal to, suppose 3, b is equal to 3. Now if I add these two numbers, so I put it in sum, and you also use let sum is equal to, you can give the previous one, that is a, sum equals to, you can give a, yes, a is assigned a variable, and plus sign you can give a plus b. So the total sum will be printed, so you give the print statement int, so print statement, and you give it in sum. So you can write over here total, total, you can write down, and you can give over here one semicolon, and you can use that sum, sum. So what does it actually do? And after giving the sum, sum, you just put the end statement, end. So here you see one unique feature is that there is no line numbers given, and you can run the program from here. So you go to run option, and if you just start the thing, or you can use the shift plus F5 also. So you just start this one, you find that the total of the number in the output screen is how much? You can see very well, it's 15. Press any key to continue, press the key, you come back. So how the 15 comes? 12 plus 3 is 15, so sum is added. Now the same number, if it is told that write a program to add two numbers by accepting from the keyboard, accept two numbers, then over here you just change it as an input statement, input you give input a, see input a, you can write something over here, and like this you can give input a, you can write over here input, after input you can write over here input, enter the first number, enter the first first number. Yes, once you give, you close the inverted commas and give a semicolon, so enter the first number, and then you can do the same thing. See here you can do the same thing as you can do over here. I cancel this, yes, and okay, and I come over here and I drop over here and I can give the same command over here. So now I can use the copy option and paste option I can do. Okay, so I do it over here, okay, and I write over here input, input. Then I can write enter, enter the second number, and you can give the inverted commas over here, and you arrange this thing over here. There's something wrong over here, yes. You make it as B, one semicolon, and you can make it as B, and go up and you can remove the let statement because assignment you are not doing now. So two inputs have been done, and let sum is become the same thing and the others remain the same. So here what you do is that you're accepting the number over here. So actually you can use the rem statement. Rem means remark, that sum of to find the sum of TWO, two numbers, right? So this is the thing, and now see, enter the first number, so you are inputting and is putting into A, enter the second value, enter the second number, putting in B, and you are summing that and you're putting. So here accepting the first two numbers and printing from the, well, accepting the numbers from the user and printing and finding out the total. So here you get the total. So let us see, run it, fine. So once I run it, see what happens, enter the first number. So it's asking you enter the first number, so you give this number as 20, fine, press enter. See, the next one is enter the second number, and you enter the second number as suppose 20. So the total, you know, it comes to 50. So it has come to 50. You can even give spaces over here, no problem in that, but you have found that two numbers are there and you get the total. CLS is a clear screen, so this is total 15. The previous program has been done, so you can avoid that also. So press enter and come back. So I can use one clear statement. So CLS to make the clear screen. Let us see what happens now. I run the command. I can even use one space over here also, so that one gap is made. I can give over here only print. See, one gap will be made. Again, if I come to the next one, I can also make a gap over here, print. Okay, let us see what happens now. So I run it, start running the program. So enter the first number, fine. So I make this first number as 50. Okay, press enter. See, one gap is made by the print statement. So you know the print command also. Enter the second number. I enter the second number as suppose another time I make it 50, no problem. Okay, I make it 50, so total will be 100. So I press it and see, one gap is made of the another print statement and the total is 100. So the sum total is 100. That's it. Okay, hope that it is clear to you now. Yes.